Fam Bam. PM
AM
here.
Sorry.
PM here.
AM here.
How are you all? How's things? I hope you are doing well. And
we hope that you're gonna enjoy what we have today.
yes. So if you're new to our channel, Fam Bam, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever we upload a video. Like this. Come on. We're breaking out of our shell today.
Yeah.
Because we are attempting to make this. What's that, baby? What does it say? What's the sauce say? So that's the bottle, the sauce. What's the other one, baby?
We've got the mayonnaise.
And the mayonnaise.
And
so we are having a Japanese dish today. And for our loving and super supportive Fam Bam. Welcome back, Fam Bam.
Yes, welcome back, Fam Bam.
Wait a minute. We will be back because we forgot one ingredient. See you in a bit. And we are back with spring onion.
And also we've got octopus.
We have our boiled up octopus over here, Fam Bam.
So we got the baby version.
Yes, the baby octopus. So what do we have here today, baby?
So today we're gonna attempt to make takoyaki, and we have
Japanese style, by the way.
Mayo, the sauce,
the
takoyaki sauce, and we've got the dried bonito flakes. We've got octopus, spring onion, and some dessert on the side.
Yes, we have and also just in case I need a little bit of a kick, that's my 3 chilies over there. See, I love you. 3 chilies. And this.
Some jam donuts and some nata.
Yeah, Fam Bam. I'm gonna show you the clip right now when we went to Lidl earlier, and this thing was just basically calling me. Don't they look good, Fam Bam? OMG. I'm gonna get 2 of this. I was looking at them like.
PM was like, oh,
and
that looks so nice. Look at that. Look at that.
I know, and
it looks so nice, isn't it?
And I'm not a fan of sweets. And at that moment, I was so dehydrated. I'm like, baby, look at those jam donuts. They look so big and delicious. Look.
They look so fluffy and.
Yes, exactly. It looks so fluffy. It's so amazing. Wow.
Can't wait though.
Right.
So let me just top it up with some oil.
Yes. And by the way, Fam Bam, if you want to know how to make...
Be generous with the oil, guys.
Exactly. If you want to know how we made this actual batter, there's a lot of them online.
So we just follow them and we are attempting it.
Yeah, so we basically just put in dashi, water, and flour, 2 eggs, and soy sauce. We didn't put salt because the dashi that we got were a little bit
salty already, so we didn't. So we tried it before we
making
do
the whole thing.
Any other steps of adding salt or other stuff because we don't want it salty.
No, we cooked it so that we can taste it because we don't want it really salty. So here we go, Fam Bam. About to put in the batter.
Ideally, it should be in the middle, or it should be in the hole.
What you do is you go around in circle.
This is fun now.
Yes. And the heat should be on a minimum heat so that it doesn't burn.
So you'll get that crispy brownness and golden look, like it looks gold, not burnt or toasted.
Oh, toasted. There we go. And then now
you did too much.
Oh, we're gonna put in our octopus, and we'll put in the rest of them. I mean, oops, that is too much. So 1 octopus per.
It's fine.
Just gonna lower the heat
then
so that it doesn't burn.
As much as you want. That's a good thing if you make it at home.
Yes. You just put in whatever you want. You can put as much as you want with
anything.
Octopus
and other. Oh, you're missing one.
Where? Which one? This one?
No, here.
Oh, there we go. This is so delicate and nice.
Stop adding more.
Okay, and we have our stick over here from Bam.
This is just a normal barbecue stick.
Yes.
Or you know what you put
any
in.
stick that you can use to poke it. So let's just put the heat a little bit up.
Normally
you wait for it
take it
to
from
settle
the side.
in. And then what you do is you bring them all in, and then on the side
you do it.
You just twist it. There we go. Halfway first. You just push it on the side and it will just twist, because it's already got the oil in there. This is so fun, but yet hard to do. There we go. I'll just bring it into 360 now.
So serious.
180 actually. There we go.
We are so serious.
Yes. We're gonna have to eat this. Oof. This is so nice. But hard at the same time. So to be honest, there don't really need to be a perfect bowl, right? We're not selling it, we're eating it.
This is what I mean about homemade. You can just cook it whatever you like. Or however you like.
Yes. All the way around. This looks so nice.
We are trying our best, fam.
Yes.
This is our very best. That's cooked already. And it's... Anyways.
How are you, Fam Bam? Ooh.
Make sure, fam, that you have food in front of you.
Man, this is killing my shoulder.
I know.
And those people, they're like twisting it, like the people that sells it in Japan, they're like twisting it, or in Korea, because they have this in Korea as well. They just twist it like it's nothing. Right?
Practice, sensei.
Yeah, sensei.
This is cooked already.
Not yet.
These two are cooked.
No. Ooh, look at that, Fam Bam. It's going into a circle. So here we go, Fam Bam. AM's just gonna turn them for us now. Go for it, baby. Ooh, that's a hole in there. Yeah.
Ah, this is cute.
Yes, so they're just going around now because it's obviously a bowl now. That one needs a little bit more, but hey, it's homemade. Can't really complain, can we? Or we can complain to the chef. There we go. Oh.
Everything. Oh.
And that's empty because you didn't turn it all the way around.
No, because they're cooked already.
Yeah. There we go. There's a big hole in that.
Ignore that too. But I think we can dig in now.
Yeah? You think it's cooked?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's put it in now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
We just try one first.
Okay, let's try this one and
Alright.
this one.
Okay. Put in a little bit of sauce.
So we put in a little bit of mayo. Put them next to each other. PM likes it a lot.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put a little bit of this because PM doesn't want a lot. Yes.
Ooh.
And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this.
What's that, baby?
This is the dried tuna or bonito flakes.
Dried tuna?
Yeah, it says it's skipjack tuna.
Oh. Come on.
Or some kind of fish.
There we go, fam.
Yes.
That looks so nice. And then a little bit of...
If you want to, you can add, another octopus in there.
Yes.
Homemade.
It's whole homemade. There we go, baby. First bite. Let's see if it's cooked. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Bam Bam. Oh. Careful, it's hot.
Mmm.
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 Mmm. Wow. Yes, they are cooked. I'll take them now. I'm gonna turn this off for a bit. I'm gonna eat this first. Mmm. The octopus in there is so nice. Right? Is your mouth still burning? Mmm.
Very soft.
Here we go, fam. Putting the mayonnaise in there.
Yes.
AM, do the honor. Ooh. Yummy.
Don't forget the flakes.
Yes.
I kind of like this with extra hint of this.
Yes.
Let me just...
I like it too.
Yes. And then
A little bit more.
top it all off with some flakes. Yes.
There we
Look
go.
at that.
That looks so pretty.
And it moves by itself because it's still cooking. Let's eat, Fam Bam!
Yes.
What are you, Fam, eating?
Yes, make sure you grab something to eat, fam bam. And eat with us.
Oh. I like that extra spring onion in there. It has a little bit of kick because it's, well, you know, the strong taste of onion is there.
I want fam bam to see this. It's so beautiful. Look at that, fam bam. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Mmm. Mmm. Mm. I need my chili.
Oh, I got the whole head.
Hmm?
I got the whole head of
The whole head or the body?
the head.
Which one? Yeah. Oh. I thought that was the body. That's the body, baby.
Where's the head?
The head is underneath. I don't know. Right, I'm gonna cook a little bit more because this is gonna go quick.
Because it's better to cook early because it's too hot.
Yes.
So be generous with the oil.
Yes. Oops, thank you, baby, for saving my chopstick. Ooh. Have you guys ever had this before? Like, have you ever had takoyaki before?
Homemade.
I know you've had it in the restaurant, but I bet you've never had it at home unless you're Japanese and you actually cook this at home.
Yeah.
So good.
Because we like testing other recipes.
Yes.
So we're going to go to a restaurant and try the recipe that...
Basically find out what it tastes like.
Yeah, if we liked it. If we liked it, no? We're
Yeah,
gonna try
and then
the recipe.
once we like it, we're gonna make it at home. Which is, I think, is a good thing. Mmm.
Oh, that's good. Mmm. Oh.
Hot. A little messy making this, but it's okay. It's so good. It's light. And you can really taste that octopus and the green onion in there.
Another head.
I got mainly tentacles. And I put the...
Go on it.
So you have to make sure, because you have a lot of things to do over here, like this, you have to make sure that you lower down the heat so that it doesn't burn. Right, baby? Ooh, that's big.
Because you don't want it to burn.
Yes. I mean,
Although
you can have it toasty.
It tastes good if it's toasty.
Yeah. Is that it? Have I put everything in?
Yes, boss.
Cool. I'm gonna, oh, sorry. I'm gonna eat another one before I twist it.
To give you more inspiration to twist it properly, yeah?
To think that it actually tastes good, that your arm workout is worth it. I want Meryl to try this.
Oh yeah.
If you Fambam don't know who Meryl is, the person that we always talked about, she's our daughter.
She's turning 17.
Yes. Becoming a big girl now. Lower it down.
Make sure it's all the way.
Yes, twist all the way. Ooh.
I'm tempting to use this one, but I couldn't because we don't have more space. Let's go.
Wow, this is tiring. This is hard work, baby.
Well, this is it. You have to work hard for your food.
I know. Anything that tastes good requires hard work. Right, baby?
Yes, boss.
Like this.
Yay! Needed it. More.
Oh, this one is damaged.
Yes.
But we can get it in. Get in.
So hot though.
How many
one
of
more?
this twist?
Yay.
Now we can bring up the heat a little bit so that it's toasty outside.
It has the other sides of it. So, ooh, look at that. Oh.
This is so nice.
How come yours is like rugby ball size?
Huh?
Rugby ball size.
What, big?
Oval.
Oh, I don't know.
Like this one.
I don't know. I'm trying.
Yes. This is not cooked, so I'm gonna put it there.
This is the type of thing that when you cook this sort of stuff, you should be doing live.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes. I'm so happy.
How many did you eat in this one?
And this is my, I don't know. Look at make more.
Mm-hmm.
Another head.
Huh? Another head. I'm afraid that's a body.
Another body then. Pardon me if I'm wrong.
Oh, I beg your pardon? This looks crunchy on the outside now. Yours is so circle. Mine is just everywhere. Ooh, it's toasting it up nicely.
Oh yes.
Once you take those out, I'm gonna put more.
Oh yeah.
I wanna eat this continuously, not wait around.
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
I can't believe we ran out.
Yeah, I told you. That's why I put it in straight away. So, Fambam, how's your day today?
We're so serious. Can you please
Eating
put me a
octopus,
mango,
yeah.
please? Mango juice.
Mango juice.
Thank you.
Here we go.
I don't have ice today. I've got 2 ice though, but I can't use it.
I think this looks crispy on the outside now, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Yeah, spinning! Spin! So entertaining.
Okay, let me grab some.
You need to grab all of them now.
All of it now.
Yes. Supposed to poke it.
I can't see what I'm doing. Your hands in the way.
Sorry. Oops. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh yeah, they're crispy on the outside, baby.
Wait, sorry.
They're
Okay.
crispy on the outside.
So, whilst PM is doing something, let me decorate this lovely takoyaki.
The delicious takoyaki. This is so light, mild, and amazing. I love it. I think this is gonna be another one of our favorite dish that we're gonna make.
And it's
all the
very easy
time.
to make.
Yes.
I might say.
Really easy.
Although, you know, in... Where's this from? Japanese, right?
Yes. This is a Japanese dish.
Although in Japan, they probably do it like really, really on point.
Yeah. Not like two Filipinos making it.
Trying hard to make it. Hey, what? And then you got, oh, we're running out.
Do we need more
A little bit, yeah.
spring onion?
Mm-hmm. You want to grab the scissors and then I'll do it for you.
In a bit.
This is great. This looks amazing.
So there we go.
Amazing!
Buddy. This is really good for snacks.
Oh, yes. Let me try to put 2 at a time or 1.
One more. There we go.
Oops.
You put more, I think.
But we don't have anything in here.
You can grab some more. Ooh, this looks so hot. Look at that, fam. Mm?
Wow! Wow! Amazing!
Oh, hot.
Okay, it's so hot. It's still steaming.
Mm-hmm.
Shall we quickly top up our spring onion then, please?
Okay, go. We'll be back, fam bam. Just gonna get more spring onion because we love spring onion on this. It's delicious.
Come on!
It's amazing with spring onion.
Everything is topped up in here, so you don't need to worry about when you run out.
Yes. We always have extra in the fridge because we love spring onion. So I've traced the rest of them off cam because it wasn't here and I don't want it to burn. Can you lower down the heat, please, baby? We might be doing this incorrectly, but hey.
We tried our best.
Yes, this is...
And we're feeding ourselves, so it doesn't really matter.
Yes. Although I want Leanne to try this. Leanne, comment below if you want to try this with us. Ooh. They're not circle. They're like mostly oblong. Because I did them all. But it's okay.
Not comment, I'm just laughing.
I know.
Yes! Got more. A little bit top up. Yes. Do you want... Oh. Let's go.
That's already
We're so messy today, BM.
Yes.
I'm gonna grab some.
Tell me, fam, have you ever had takoyaki or do you like takoyaki? If you're allergic to seafood, then you probably haven't had this before. I'm not sure. Can you actually have takoyaki in different, not just octopus? Because I know they're mainly octopus.
I think they have a veggie version of it. I'm not sure.
Well, technically, you can have the whole thing without octopus. Still tastes the same. I will try it with pork next time.
Interesting. Yes.
Yeah?
Mm. Oh, bye, baby.
Chili. You guys might be thinking I'm such a weirdo eating this with chili. It's actually good.
Can't get enough of it.
Mm-hmm. Not salty at all. That sauce gives it a lot of justice as well.
Yeah. You run out?
You put more. Guess what? Because we're at home. Right? So good.
Everything is so yummy.
I know. Oh my god. That has a hole.
Thank you, Japan, for creating this dish.
Yes. Thank you, thank
So
you, thank
amazing.
you. And thank you for the website that we got this from. we were going to do the sauce manually, like the mayonnaise and stuff. But then we went to Chinese shop, like Asian shop,
And they found a
and
lot
they have
of
it. They have all the sauces. I'm like, why bother?
Yeah.
If Japanese people can make it better, right?
Are we gonna put the link down below?
Or the recipe? Yeah, sure. It's another website.
Actually,
I think it was-
DM us in Instagram if you want the recipe, because it's a different
Website.
website. We don't want to put it in down below. We might get copyright.
I think it's Japan Cooking 101. The website.
Okay.
But if you search takoyaki recipe, you'll see it there. The first one on the top. The very first one. That's where I looked at.
I'll top you up here. Top up the juice. No worries,
We
PM.
might be able to finish this, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not that. I think this one, the last batch.
Yes. So this is our second, right?
Yes. This is our
Then
third.
that's the ooh.
I mean, they are filling, but they're not that filling.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
So how many have we had? 12, 24, 36.
So we're gonna have 48 in total.
Wow. Nice. I'm guess. How many have you had? Shall
I
we
don't
count
know.
it to Fambam when we edit this?
Yo, you don't have to. My mom can count us. Count.
See who had more. Comment down below, Fambam.
No, you had more.
No, I'm just asking. Comment down below who you think would have more, or will eat more of this today.
Oh well.
And how's your day, by the way? How's work?
How's school?
life? Yeah, how's life treating you?
How's your day today in general? Did you try to help out someone today?
Yes. Do you have any date on Valentine's Day?
Oh yeah.
I
don't.
I have my Valentine over here.
I don't have a Valentine.
What?
Because I don't celebrate Valentine's Day.
Yeah, you celebrate my birthday. I'll still make an effort to make sure that you get your Valentine's, even though it's my birthday, which I shouldn't really do anything for you. But I still do. Tell Mom that they're gonna think that I don't do anything for you.
Comment down below if you think. I know I'm not being selfish, but I don't mind it. Because it's Bill's birthday, I understand. I don't have Valentine's Day.
That she'll never have one.
10 years I don't have Valentine's Day.
11, this is your 11th.
It's still 10 years, my love.
Oh yeah.
So I don't have Valentine's Day. So if anyone wants to give me a rose or a Valentine's...
What? You're gonna get it from them? Are you mad?
Please hand it over. Because I'm the one who's giving you gift for Valentine's Day. Crazy.
Yes. It's supposed to be a giving for the both of us anyway.
Yeah, but it's always one way.
No. Is it? I got you a flower last time. Yeah, we had a dinner.
The thing is, we've got
That wasn't our anniversary.
we've got 1 week difference from your birthday and
baby.
our
Fix
anniversary.
it, fix it. B, put it
What's
back.
up?
Put it back.
It's
It moved.
fine. Yeah,
It
it's
moved.
fine. It's locked.
I know. Put it back. It moved.
It's locked in. Crazy. So we've got
No more oil.
a week difference
That's just right.
from PM's birthday and anniversary. So it's like, what's the point spending more money if you're gonna celebrate it in a week time?
Yeah. So we just celebrate our Valentine's and our anniversary.
No.
What?
Your birthday and anniversary.
That was it.
That's it.
Oh, no Valentine's.
No Valentine's.
Okay. All right then. I'm not gonna give you a Valentine this year.
No cookies. Yummy.
I'm not mean. You're the one who said no Valentine.
Oh, you know this. You know this one.
What?
Apparently, you can have it as a stock.
In a soup?
Yes.
Really?
So
Oh my god.
you put it in a salt. Oh.
That's just the right amount
Okay, let me pick it up.
of... That's it. There we go, fam. It's finished.
So make sure. Oh, we've got so much.
We have more. I think I'm gonna make a little bit more butter tomorrow or later once I'm hungry again.
Hungry.
Hungry. Oops. We have more octopus, so we can cook more.
Where's the all of the? I'll make sure I eat this one.
Did I get all of it?
Yeah. So, the
No? Okay.
we can make another 2 batch in there.
Just, I think it's just 1.5. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 7. 17 more that we can make.
We can still cut some of them and make in.
No, I'm just gonna eat them.
We can top some up now.
No?
Do you think it's ready?
No.
Cause it did. Oh, I didn't garnish it. Oh,
No.
did I? Sorry.
So let us know, fam in the comment down below if you're gonna try this as well yourself. I mean, if 2 Filipino people can make it at home, surely you can make it too, right? It was making the batter wasn't that hard. Hey, well done, baby. How the table was big enough. How did you manage to drop that?
Cheers. Probably just did that.
I know. Drop the mayonnaise on the floor. Was it closed?
Yeah.
Okay. By the way, if you turn them like too late, they're gonna stay in that position forever. They're not gonna make the circle anymore.
Don't touch this though, yeah?
Alright. I could twist the other one. I'm tired. Ooh, check you out, twisting it with one stick. You're a pro now, yeah?
You know what it is. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Look at the difference.
What?
It's okay. It's still gonna go to our tummy. It's not gonna make any difference.
Exactly, you're just gonna chew it and make the ugly out of it when you go to the bathroom.
Don't twist it.
Isn't that right, Fam Bam?
What did you say? I don't wanna. I heard it. Oh.
Oh, we still have our dessert over here. You forgot that? You're forgetting a lot of things now.
I know, because I want to get the mayo. But I couldn't. It's too far.
You're so pretty.
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty and witty and...
Something.
What song is that?
I think it's from Nanny McPhee, right?
Nanny McPhee.
Oh, there is another nani maki soon.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try our.
Chili?
No, they're not. Gimme. Gimme. Before I run out of space.
These are tiny balls.
So cute. I'm gonna cut it in half. Let's see how big. What kind of. Ooh. Bien look.
Oh wow.
Ooh. Oh, 2 holes.
2 holes. It's nicer if it's spicy, baby.
Don't do that.
You wanna try it?
No. Can I have tissue, please?
Of course you can.
Jam tastes good, huh?
Mama, what do you guys think of this setup that we have?
I got the balcony door.
Mm-hmm.
The computer on the left. Cameras. Background. Play back home for now, but I'm gonna do something about this.
Yes. And also, our message is here. Our favorite message. What does it say, baby? Read it for Fan Bam. Can you Fan Bam see that?
Some people want it to happen. Some people wish it would happen. Others,
Make it happen. Heck, this we're making this happen. I bet some of the Fan Bam out there just wishing that they could do this. But the thing is, fam, you can.
as the last sentence or the last wording says, make it happen.
Mm-hmm. You can. This is very easy.
I always take out the excess pastry.
Because you're a weirdo. Not right?
Why do you love me?
Because you're a weirdo. I'm getting full up now. Oh my god. He just squished that up. I'm gonna turn it off now. Oh. How's the donut? I'm getting really full up. I think I'm gonna start with my dessert now. No,
Oh, sorry.
I have my donut here. Here we go, fam. See how big it is. It's full of what's that on top? Icing sugar. I'm gonna use this bowl.
That's good. It's very soft.
Mmm.
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 Wow.
Mmm. Mmm.
Everything just complements each other. I love it. Everything fits.
Mmm.
Even my drink fits. Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm. That is nice.
Oh yeah, man.
Apple tango.
I got mango.
Let's
There's
have
so
it.
much drink.
Mmm.
Okay. I finished the whole bowl. I think I had 12, 15. I think I had 15.
Just 15.
Yeah.
I have 5 more over here. How? They are too small, but it fills you up.
It's so filling.
Leave it there.
Sorry.
Because we're not going to put the sauce yet. Tomorrow or later I'm going to have that again. Let's just finish this 5, baby. The last 5 is the final countdown.
Ooh. I just want to go to your mouth. Do you want more flaky?
No. Good. How chili?
The body tastes really good.
Mm-hmm. So as well as the tentacles.
It's so tiny. Look how tiny that is. It's blurry.
Good. Look, I can add another one inside. She's got a mouth. Add another one.
Here, here.
Stick one in there. Open it, baby. There you go. There's one more.
Here.
One sec. See, fam, you can do whatever you want. Nope, that's closed. This one, this one.
Let's open it up.
Why did you? Weirdo.
No, it's like a bun. Here. Here. You got more space in here.
One more.
One more.
We're such a weirdo.
So fam,
Oh.
we are all full. And we're gonna try to finish all of this in a bit. But for now, thank you so much for watching us, and hopefully we filled your tummy
With love.
with love.
Not with food, because you're going to have to do that yourself.
One more PM. One more PM. One more PM. Yo. Yes. Oh, finish it. Finish it up now. Yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Whew.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
So fam, don't forget to leave this video a like, and subscribe button will be on the left side. So fam, thank you for watching our video today, and hopefully you like this video, and hopefully you click that subscribe button somewhere in this page, and hopefully you turn on your notification button so you get notified with any future videos.
Yes. Whew. I'm so full.
PM can't talk right now, please try again later.
We have 12 more that we can eat later, and I'm very excited on that. But for now, I'm gonna have to let my belly rest up because it has a lot of takoyaki and octopus in it, and also some donuts and some apple tango. Fun bum, thank you so much today, and hope you are having a great day or night wherever you are, and we will see you again on our next
video. Thank you so much, Fam Bam. We love you. Bye bye.
bye.
Bye bye.
Love you.